Today we're going to learn sight words from my kitchen. My family's getting ready to come over, so I thought I'd bake them a dozen cookies to serve them when they get here. So today, instead of learning 10 sight words, we're going to learn 12 sight words because a dozen means 12. But before we start baking those cookies, let's go over the sight words that we're going to learn today, so then when we pull the sight word cookies out of the oven, we'll know exactly what they are.
My, then, been, who, now, find, long, down, come, may, did, get.
Great job, boys and girls. I really enjoyed hearing you practice the sight words along with me. The more you hear them, say them, and write them, the better you're going to be, and the more you're going to learn the sight words and recognize them when you're reading. Okay, boys and girls, we're ready to start baking. As we put each cookie inside of the oven and pull them out when they're done cooking, we're going to read each sight word, and then we're going to take our spatula and put it onto our tray so that we're ready to serve them to my family. By the end of it, we're going to have 12 or a dozen cookies.
Get, did, now, down, then, find, who, my, come, long, may, been. Wow, you're really one smart cookie. Thanks for practicing your sight words today. Look at all the delicious cookies we baked together. Shoo! It sounds like we finished just in time. My family's at the door.
Thanks so much for helping me bake my sight word cookies today. Stay tuned until next time when we learn another 10 sight words together. Until then, keep on reading. Goodbye.